don't want clouds. I just want a little smoke coming out.
Where does the static one?
Yeah, oh sure. Oh yeah.
And a valve thruster.
Yeah, and a bow thruster. Yeah. No, it's just a bow thruster. So I can turn the ship this way, you know, it'll just go around and around and around. And the lights, the lights go on. Yeah.
Starts off to work well.
Yeah.
One time.
Oh yeah, that's the best. I got two 12s and a 6. You know the big two 12s and a 6. Since the night chrome wire takes a lot of power to get that going. I got it on one of the 12. And I think I have the horn, which takes a bit of juice. No, it's just very intermittent. So I put the two of them together, and I don't use one with the other. It is, Mike, you got me. I got it written down. I haven't made it. I designed it, but I haven't made it. And oh, there he is, Peter. Oh, you're and I had to look up in the book what I knew how many amps I could get out of the battery, and I looked and see with the length of wire that I had, it was at 15 winding around, and I said, okay, it's 15 long, and it's that age. How many amps would make it a given temperature? And you got their charts. You can look up, and it said this temperature, and if you use baby oil, it says that baby oil will smoke. So I worked it all out. Yeah. And so balance, yeah. I got the two 12s are going to be on the outside. The thing is 16 inches long. So 50 inches long. Yeah. So, but the two batteries are going away as far as I can get. And then the water